It all started with an attack. My family and I just got back from our visit in Europe. Our bags unpacked and memories intact, we began a refreshing new page in our home. Then, the news happened. ISIS attacks Paris. I was devastated. After roaming the cobblestone streets of my dreams and experiencing the magical scenery of the French architecture, it all became rubble in my head. The footage was hectic, and it wouldn't stop, not even for a second. How can someone lose their sense of humanity just to prove a political point? As images from the media crowded the capacity of my freshman mind, I said to myself, what could I have done if I were still in the midst of the chaos? Essentially, the answer was nothing, usually because no one sees the attacks coming. I thought that ISIS was just a Middle Eastern problem. I then did research and realized that their agenda was international. As time passed, I could admit that my obsession with mainstream media wasn't healthy. The more I watched, the more paranoid and depressed I became. School started soon after, and my history class was the first class to talk about the attacks in Europe. My teacher was intrigued by my extensive participation in our class. She told me that my ideas were constructive and thought-provoking. Time passed, and my paranoia had morphed into a curiosity of current events. No more reading about terrorism or watching documentaries about the origins of different catastrophic events. It was finally time for me to focus on a more positive outlook on the world. After all, I'm still here, alive, still able to pursue my dreams. With this perspective, I am SyyahB.